Have you ever felt stuck in a creative rut when it comes to making YouTube videos? Is finding fresh ideas and unique angles for your content becoming increasingly challenging? What if there was a way to release that creative potential and elevate your content to new heights? In today's video, we will explore how AI can transform your YouTube content, helping you unleash your creativity like never before. Section 1. Understanding the power of AI in content creation. To begin, let's dive into the basics of what AI really is and how it applies to content creation. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that are designed to simulate human intelligence. This technology is now being widely used in various fields, including video production and content creation. One major advantage of AI in content creation is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly. By analyzing trends, viewers' preferences, and successful content formats, AI tools can generate valuable insights that serve as inspiration for your next video. For example, AI can identify the most popular topics in your niche, providing you with suggestions and unique angles to explore in your videos. Imagine having an AI-powered tool that analyzes videos within your channel and your competitors. It could offer insights into which subjects spark the most engagement, allowing you to tailor your future content in a way that captivates your audience. Moreover, AI technologies are becoming more accessible, meaning that even new creators can benefit from them. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces where you can input basic information and receive AI-generated suggestions. No complex coding is required, just pure creative potential waiting to be unleashed. Section 2. Enhancing creative processes with AI tools. Now that we've established what AI is and how it can guide our creative direction, let's discuss some specific tools and techniques that can enhance your creative processes. These tools can streamline your workflow, make brainstorming sessions more productive, and even take the heavy lifting out of the editing process. One of the most powerful tools available to creators is AI-driven scriptwriting software. These tools can assist you in drafting scripts based on topics you want to cover. By simply entering a few keywords, an AI script generator can analyze thousands of existing videos and create a compelling script outline, complete with engaging hooks and structured content. Take a moment to consider how invaluable it would be to have a writing partner that can suggest sentences, transitions, and even entire paragraphs. This not only saves time but also helps in overcoming writer's block, allowing your ideas to flow more freely. Next, let's discuss AI in video editing. Traditional video editing can be time-consuming and often requires a steep learning curve. However, AI-powered editing tools can simplify this process significantly. Programs such as Magisto or Adobe Premiere Pro have features that leverage AI to automate tasks like cutting, color correction, and inserting transitions seamlessly. These AI tools analyze your footage and make necessary edits based on predetermined styles and preferences. This means you can focus on the creative aspects of video production while the AI handles some of the more technical tasks. Imagine being able to create high-quality videos with minimal manual editing. In addition to automation, AI tools can assist in improving content engagement. For example, YouTube's own recommendation algorithm analyzes viewer behavior to suggest content that aligns with their interests. By incorporating keywords and video elements that the AI suggests, you can enhance your video's visibility and reach a broader audience. Furthermore, AI can optimize your content even after it has been published. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ provide analytics on video performance, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. They can offer keyword suggestions based on what viewers are searching for, which can guide your future video topics. Section 3. Using AI for personalization and audience engagement. As we move to the third section, let's talk about the power of personalization in content creation. In a world where viewers are bombarded with countless options, creating personalized content can significantly enhance viewer engagement. AI can help creators tailor their videos to individual preferences and demographics, ensuring they speak directly to their audience. One effective way to achieve this is through the use of AI analytics tools that analyze your target audience's behavior, interests, and demographics. By understanding your viewers' preferences, you can craft tailored messages that resonate more deeply with them. For example, if your audience leans towards a younger demographic that enjoys humor, adapting your content style and tone accordingly can make a difference in engagement rates. Additionally, AI can be used to create interactive content experiences. Consider using AI-powered chatbots to engage with your audience directly in video comments or live chats. This allows you to answer questions in real time, gather feedback, and establish a stronger connection with your viewers. Another exciting application of AI and personalization is content creation through user-generated insights. By encouraging viewers to provide feedback on what they would like to see or topics they are interested in, AI tools can analyze these responses to identify common themes. This can steer your content in a direction that not only caters to your audience's desires but also sparks your creativity. Ultimately, AI facilitates a cycle of feedback and inspiration that keeps your content fresh and engaging. The more you utilize these tools, the easier it becomes to find relevant topics that captivate viewers. Conclusion: embracing the AI revolution. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the way we create and share content on YouTube. By understanding the potential of artificial intelligence, leveraging specialized AI tools, and utilizing audience insights, creators can unleash their creativity and overcome challenges in video production. The future belongs to those who are willing to embrace innovation. AI can take your content to new heights, make the process more efficient, and help you connect meaningfully with your audience. What AI tools are you excited to try in your next video project? Whether it's scriptwriting, video editing, or audience engagement, there's a place for AI in your creative journey. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on using technology to enhance your creative endeavors. Together, let's embark on an exciting journey of creative expression through the power of AI.